let's discuss Knorda Del Julbaiax now. I think I actually saw her on the train on the way up here. She seemed super out of it. She was meditating or something was going on. I'm not quite sure.
I'm not even really sure what to make of her CV, to be honest. She's currently at the University of Talunaish, which I've never even heard of. I can't imagine she'd be that strong of an applicant.
Yeah, I know what you mean. But still, you know what, I can't help be somewhat intrigued by her. I mean, between us, she does seem like a bit of an odd bird, if I may say so. But at the end of the day, her 3 papers on symmetry, I think, are really quite brilliant. So her work is really quite solid. I'd be tempted to give her the benefit of the doubt.
I do agree. Her work so far is solid, and on top of that, her LGBTQIA activism is refreshing and could really be a valuable addition to her host institution.
Yeah. Also, I mean, on her CV, she has 2 young children right now. So taking that into account, her track record is okay, I think.
Still, though, her reference letters are okay, but not very enthusiastic. At the end of the day, I'd suggest a B or maybe an AB. What do you think?
Yeah. Like I said, I would give her benefit of the doubt. I suggest an AB.
Okay, AB.
Should we do AB? Is that good?